Hi, I'm Kieran Skelly, Customer Success Manager at Skycatch. In this chapter, we're going to go over how to upload the data we've captured to the Skycatch portal for processing. First thing we're going to do is to insert the SD card into the computer. Navigate to upload.skycatch.com and enter your login credentials. To start your upload, drag and drop the mission photos from your SD card into the uploader window. The flight area will appear on screen with dots representing the photos and where they were taken during flight. Clicking on each dot will display a preview of the photo, displaying the latitude, longitude, and altitude, and giving you the option to delete the photo if necessary. You also have the option of viewing the image list or removing all the photos if you need to start over. Click Next in the lower right to proceed. Your map date and time will be automatically generated. You can click on the date and time to change them if you need to. Next, you can select the site of your map if you're uploading to an existing site, or you can create a new site. Since this is a new site, we'll click Create a New Site and name our site. Next, it's very important to select the correct coordinate system of your site. In this case, we have a localization file, which we can drag and drop into the window. Select your units of measure and click Apply. If you're not using a custom coordinate system, set your EPSG code and set your datum, and hit Create. If you flew a DJI drone and are uploading GCPs or checkpoints, you can drag and drop your GCP or checkpoint file into the window, or you can enter your checkpoints manually. Since we have a checkpoint file, we're going to drag and drop it in. If you flew with a high precision package, you can skip this step unless you are uploading checkpoints as well to validate your data. If you followed our GCP formatting guide correctly, these fields will auto-populate. You'll see here that we have a set of GCPs and checkpoints. Double check that the GCPs and checkpoints are properly labeled, and if you use the Skycatch GCPs, mark them as such. Each GCP and checkpoint that you'd like to use will need to be marked in at least 5 photos. Click on Mark GCP to start the tagging process. Click on the photos and zoom in as close as possible and use the marking tool to mark the center of the GCP or checkpoint. Be careful to mark the correct GCP if 2 different ones appear in the same photo. Click Next Image to cycle through the photos and tag each accordingly. Once you've tagged 5 or more photos, a green check mark will appear and you can move on to the next GCP. Continue this process until all GCPs and checkpoints are tagged. Click Next to continue and validate your checkpoints. At this time, it's important that you do not close the window or the process will be interrupted. Once validated, click Continue to Next Step. If you flew using the high precision package, you'll add your precision files here. If you flew using a DJI drone, you can skip this step and click Next. Drag and drop your RTK files, which will have the .ubx or .txt file extension, into the window. Now you'll need to add your base station files by dragging and dropping the OBS 18.0, 19.0, or 20.0 file into the window. We'll need to enter the phase center location of the base station. Here we'll add the latitude, longitude, and altitude of the antenna position. The location of the base station will appear for verification purposes. Please double check the height of the phase center and that it includes any pole height offset and the phase center offset. Click Next when ready and we will start validating your precision files. At this time, it is important that you do not close the window or this process will be terminated. Once validated, click Continue to Next Step. Once the validation is complete, review your dataset information for accuracy and click Submit. A progress bar will appear showing the upload. Please do not close this window until it's complete. However, you can pause the upload if need be. You'll receive an email from Skycatch that will confirm we've received your data capture and the processing has started. You will receive another email when the processing is complete and the data is available in the viewer. Thanks for watching this video on uploading. We'll see you on the next one.